sound test with the new AFE half-inch exhaust installed. Right from the start, I can tell its tone is a little bit lower, a little deeper, a little more towards the bassier end of things. It sounds good. You're aware of it, and if we're not too hard on the throttle, it's nearly as quiet as stock, but there's just a little bit more bass in there that you can hear. One aspect of this that really surprised me was my throttle inputs are much smoother off of the bottom. It pulls much cleaner with this exhaust on. That was very noticeable, and honestly really surprised me. It feels like the engine might be breathing just a little bit easier, so the throttle inputs feel a little smoother, and it's coming up off the bottom a lot smoother. I had what felt like a momentary lag in first gear that I used to just sort of accelerate through, but now it just comes up off the bottom super clean, very smooth. When I'm off the pedal, it's very quiet. Like I said, I only have half a mile on it now, so it's probably going to change tone a little bit.